This car is surely more British than the Queen herself, you know. Hi everyone, this is Nancy, and Nancy will tell us about a beautiful, the most British Mini Cooper, or even the most British car I've ever seen.
His name is Austin. So Austin is my 5th Mini.
Oh wow.
And each one has a little bit of British, but this one the most. And it came about when I first saw The Italian Job.
I love that movie.
I know. And my last name is Cooper. So I saw the car and I said to my husband, I need one of those.
I think it should be a law that you have to have them.
Exactly. So I had the first one was just red and I put some British on it. And every couple of years I'd get a new one, and then I got this one and I designed it based on the Austin Powers Mini.
Wow.
And so when I got the car, I said to the dealer I want it to look like that.
Okay.
And so he took it to a guy and put on the decal.
Wow.
Yep.
I mean, I can only imagine what the reaction of people must have been when they saw the car coming out
I know. Even at the dealership, they're like, oh my God, this is awesome.
Okay, we're gonna take a look at the car inside with Nancy's. Wow, look at this. This is how many owners love their car. Wow. And you've done this over time, right? Like
I've acquired. People have given me stuff. See, there are pillows too. I just forgot to roll them around.
I loved even the...
Yep.
And do they even have names?
Well, so their name is Spike. That's the mini mascot.
Okay.
So this is the original one.
Okay.
And this is Spike 2.0. He came out second.
Oh, wow. And then the bulldog here, is that also an official mini?
No, so that's actually from James Bond. It's on M's desk.
Oh, I see. What's the story behind this?
So little Gil, there was a gentleman by the name of Gil who basically started the Toronto Mini Club.
Mini Club? Oh,
and he passed unexpectedly.
Oh,
and so everyone who knew him this was his license plate. So everyone got a picture of his license plate just to commemorate him. So this just shows you how much of a family we are. So a friend of mine owns the British grocer. He asked to have my car in front of his shop during a Midnight Madness event in Oakville. So my car sat there and everyone all night just sat there taking selfies and everything. So that was kind of cool. I was just sitting there watching and this was all happening. So that was a lot of fun.
This car is surely more British than the Queen herself. You know? And I'm sure she has more pictures than the entire royal family combined.
A zillion of them. But I just like the size, because I'm not a big person, so I feel like I fit the car perfectly. The way it handles, because the wheels are on the 4 corners of the car, so it handles like a go-kart, right? And I like that I'm recognized for my car. And it does drive amazingly.
You do twin with the car very naturally as well.
I know, right?
And there's more than one way that Nancy twins with Austin. How did you come up with the name? Like, why Austin?
Just because of the Austin Powers movies. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
That's a given.
Yep.